They tell us that 4 is a solution, so x equals 4, but we need to find the other solution. And we know there's two solutions because your highest exponent of the variable is a 2. And they tell us that k is a constant. So let's plug the 4 in and get 4 squared plus 3 times 4 plus k equal 10. I'm solving for k now, and then I'll plug it back in and I'll actually have a good quadratic equation. This is 16 plus 12 plus k equal 10. That's 28 plus k equal 10. That's k equals a negative 18. So plug that back in and you get x squared plus 3x minus 18 equals 10. It's a quadratic equation. Highest exponent's 2. That's how I know it's quadratic. I need to get 0 on one side. So I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides and get minus 28 here equals 0. And then I'm going to factor this thing. I believe it a factor. And you put an x here and an x here, and that gives you x squared. And then I need to get a 28. And I'm going to use 4 and 7 because I know one of the solutions is 4. Minus sign there and a plus sign there. Check it. X times x gives me x squared. Negative 4 times positive 7 is negative 28. Negative 4x plus a 7x is a positive 3x. So it checks. So how do you multiply two things together and get 0? The only way that can happen is if x minus 4 equals 0 or x plus 7 equals 0. And that gives me x equals 4 or x equals negative 7. And we already know 4 is a solution, so my other solution is negative 7.